Hey guys, before this video starts, I want to let you guys know that on August 22nd, we're having our first merch drop in so long. We got some really cool brand new items. We got these pink and black dad hats. We got a brand new shirt that Cody's wearing now in black, a Krispy Media with donuts on the front, with sprinkles on the front. Sorry, Cody, spin around. On the back, we have our premium visuals designs right here with the donut in the middle, and then Krispy Media premium visual trademark right there. And then we also have this new white shirt right here, Krispy Media, around some lightning bolts in the colors, and it's also, well, bam, there on the back, just a little bit bigger. This will be on the website as well in that merch drop, along with a restock of the cream embroidered hoodies. You guys wanted these so bad. You wanted them back in stock. They're coming back in stock on the August 22nd drop. You'll be able to get these in cream, and these are the embroidered hoodies once again. And we also have two new stickers. One sticker here that matches the shirt that I'm wearing, and then another sticker here that matches the embroidered hoodie. This one's got a cool, like, glisten, glittery to it, and this one's white here with the premium visuals as well. That hat is also available in the drop. That's in black and pink. Oh, wait. And pink. So those are all the new items in this shop. Hold on. Phone's ringing.
Whoa!
Hello?
Is that a Krispy phone case?
No, Cody's not working on the car right now.
Okay.
Yeah, he's the only one that works on the car. I don't do anything.
Right.
He does everything.
He's admitting
I just
finally.
Yeah, okay. And we also have Krispy Media phone cases. So if you guys check the website, August 22nd, 12 p.m., brand new merch drop, 2 new shirts, restock of the hoodie, 2 new stickers, 2 new dad hats, and a phone case. Check it out, Krispy.store on August 22nd. That's Saturday at 12 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. Cody, should they buy the merch?
Hell yeah, you should.
It's a good answer. Phil, you think they should buy the merch?
Hell yeah.
Guys, buy the merch. Show us some love. Support us. Let's get to the video, guys. Also, we forgot to mention one more thing. There's also going to be some limited edition mystery boxes included in this drop with a bunch of items in there that you guys are going to be able to get. They're going to be limited edition. So, Cody, what should they do?
You should buy the box.
Buy their mystery box before they set out. They're going to go fast along with all this new merch.
Grab it.
We can't say that.
Fuck, you're right.
All right, so we're at Cody's house. I have the red coming on right now. We're going to grab some slow motion footage. Cody's going to foam gun the car, so we'll get some nice slow motion foam gun of the car for you guys to make up for the shots we thought we were going to get this morning. And then we'll do the shots we thought we were going to get this morning in another video. So insert here some sexy red 96 frames per second 5K footage of Cody cleaning the Legacy for the first 9,000?
This is the first wash of
COVID.
Years.
The first wash we've done
wait
in like...
Wait a minute. This is, I think, probably the 4th time this car's ever been washed in your ownership.
That's a lie. I went to foam and wash all the time. That's a lie. Ooh, moist. It's moist. Oh yeah. Rinse her off all good, like yeah. Oh yeah, how wet is that getting? Oh yeah. Folks, that's the stuff right there. Getting it nice and moist. Sponsored by insert eventual car cleaning product sponsor here. Man, it feels good to have this car back home. Oh, I'm getting that. I'm getting that. I'm getting that. Wipe down quickly. We got it dried down a little bit. If you guys are also wondering why the front lip isn't on the car, well, that's because the front lip is right here in the back. So we still need to get the hardware to put the front lip back on because we took it off for transport and to get some little minor dings on it fixed already. So that's why the lip isn't on the front, and that's why we're not going to shoot it right away. We'll probably shoot it in the next video, so you guys stay tuned for the next video. We'll put the lip back on next time. I'll probably take this car, store it for the night. I've had a semi-long day. We'll store it for the night, and then maybe sometime this week I'll come back over to Cody's. We'll put the front lip on, and then we'll go film it, do like a mini feature, and then we'll do like a mini feature of it. And then down the road, once we have all the big things done to it that we want to get done to it, we'll do a more all-encompassing feature. But she looks good clean. She looks good out of Ryan's shop. She looks good back almost home. This is Cody's home, but it still counts. I'll probably just drive it home right now, show my parents real quick, because my parents haven't seen it either. And then we'll drop it off at the storage unit that we have the car going in, because I still don't have a home garage to put it in. So that's where it'll stay for a little bit, and then I can pick it up every day whenever I want to use it, because it's only like 5 minutes away. And I want to, obviously want to keep this garage. I want to keep the interior nice, because we haven't even tinted the windows yet. We still got to do that. And I want to keep it out of the elements as much as I can. But she cleans up pretty nice, huh? Cleans up pretty nice. It's cool having this thing back. Me and Cody have a ton of content planned for this car. We have a list of small things that we want to do to this car. We have a list of different add-ons, different modifications, different things we want to fix. Like we need to fix the power folding mirrors. We need to get those fixed. We need to lock in our fire extinguisher in the car. We're going to get AC done in this car, custom AC lines. We have to do some stuff for the air ride setup in the back. We need to re-secure some stuff. We're going to tidy up some wiring. We're going to put some like trim around, some rubber trim around some of the carbon fiber pieces that are kind of hanging off the car. We're going to tuck them up to the car. We're going to put rubber trim on that. We have a lot of small, cool, fun ideas. We have first drive videos that we'll do, like POVs. We'll do putting our friends in the car that aren't used to this. We have a ton of content coming for the Legacy. So if you guys are excited for Legacy content, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Let's get this channel back up and going with the Legacy content. I know it's been a little bit dry over COVID and all these times because we don't have car shows to go to, but now we can finally start making content with the Legacy again. Now we can finally start making content with the Legacy again. So if you guys are excited for some Legacy content, let us know in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. 683 horsepower Legacy, full Alcantara interior, custom wheels, custom paint, bodywork. It's a cool damn car. So make this. What'd you say?
Would you just look at that?
Did you look at it?
Just look at it.
It looks pretty damn cool. Even without the lip, it looks pretty damn cool. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are excited the Legacy's back and excited that me and Cody are going to make some videos back together, or Cody's going to do stuff and I'm going to film him doing stuff again.
Just like old times. Again,
smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching. And new content coming hopefully weekly now with the Legacy. So that'll be fun. Nice try, bud. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, my baby look good. My baby got a thick old butt. And my car does too. Ooh, that's cool. Oh man, this thing is nice. This thing is nice. Bonus clips. You thought the video was done. Bonus clips. Oh, Jeff over at Circuit Demon. Jeff, you absolutely killed these taillights. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Shout out Circuit Demon. Holy crap, that's cool. That is so, oh wow. Yeah, I'm in love with those taillights. Wow. People who are in back of the Legacy in the future are gonna be so lucky to see your taillights. Almost rear-ended my own car. Could you guys imagine? Think of the clickbait. It smells like E85. Camera don't die. Camera don't die. good. What a cool looking car. Damn, that thing's clean. Oh, my baby got sauce. Look at this. Guys, this is cool. I know you never really rarely get to see your car drive, especially on the first day that you pick it up. So this is a cool feeling. This is a cool feeling. Sorry for the shaky cam, but this is neat. Also, sorry for the boys. I missed the live stream tonight to do this. If you guys, we do live streams every Wednesday and Saturday on the channel. If you guys are new, I missed tonight's to get the car. I apologize. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, bro, look at this in your rear view. Look at this thing. Yo, this looks so mean in the rear view. Holy crap. Woo! Baby, she looks good. That's a good ass looking car. I don't care what you say. The lip isn't even on and it still looks good.